In today's episode, a very skinny, healthy way to start or even end your day: paper-thin omelet. Welcome to Mediterranean Minutes, the channel that helps you learn to eat the Mediterranean way every day. This recipe is light and healthy and includes ingredients from 3 segments of the Mediterranean plate: dairy and eggs, beans, vegetables, and olive oil. One of the healthiest ways to start the morning is with a little protein and a balance of fruits and vegetables. This super skinny omelet is my latest favorite way to prepare eggs, whether I have them for breakfast or even a light meal at lunch or dinner. The trick is all about how thin you can make one single egg into a perfect protein wrap. So let's get started. The beauty of this dish is that you can fill it with whatever's in your pantry or your fridge. I'm going with feta cheese, black beans, tomatoes, and basil. Start with 2 eggs to make 2 omelets. A little salt and start whipping them smooth. Mix in about 1 teaspoon of milk. Now let it set while you prepare the pan to a medium heat with a quick spray of olive oil. Pour in half the egg mix. Remember, we're making 2 today. Swirl it around and let it cook for about 2 minutes. You want the temperature to be hot enough to set the egg, but still be gentle. Gently add your favorite ingredients as the egg finishes cooking. After about 2 minutes, you'll be able to tell by the sheen of the egg and the edges if it's ready to start lifting. Now, using a spatula and your fingers to help, lift the edge and fold it over. Don't worry if it isn't perfect. By the time you're finished, it will be. We're almost ready for lunch, so be extra careful and slide it onto your plate. Now, all that's left to do is garnish with a little salad, more fresh herbs, and a touch of salt. Time to give it a taste. And look, see how skinny that omelet is? A perfect light breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And if you liked this video and want to learn more ways to eat the Mediterranean way every day, then please remember to subscribe and watch this playlist.